Hey everybody, welcome back to 1 Minute Walking Tours. I am Jonathan. Thank you for joining us one more time here at the Trinity Church Cemetery here in Lower Manhattan. This lovely building behind me is, of course, Trinity Church, and we are in right now. I tell you, they know exactly where I'm going to be. Always with the street construction. Move to the country if you don't. All right. Well, here we are. This is considered the northern section of the cemetery here at Trinity Church behind me. And this section of the cemetery, there's two sections. There's one in the northern part of the church, and there is one in the southern part of the church, which we'll visit in a minute. And as I mentioned in my other video about the church, we do know that humans have been buried here or interred here since 1640, when it's believed that the Dutch buried the bodies of Algonquin Indians and of Dutch citizens who were killed in the battle for what would be then New Amsterdam. So we do know that the burials in this part of what is now New York City have gone on for quite a long time, almost into antiquity here for New York City. And anything that dates back to the 17th century, especially with the soft stones used for headstones, you can see very easily that they're brittle and they're worn away. Stones like this appear to have been sandblasted, probably to preserve them from further deterioration. Part of the preservation here at Trinity Church is also to mark some of the more exceptional pieces of antiquity. And this is, let me go here. This is the oldest legible headstone here in Trinity Church. And this is the grave of Richard Churchyard. It says the oldest gravestone in the cemetery, although difficult to read. This gravestone is dated to 1681 and is for Richard Churchyard, age 5, son of William Churchyard. And you can see almost a kind of scripto continuum next to John Abrell, age 60, and John Wood, age 67, well done, and a broken stone over there as well. And that's part of the conservation and the history that goes on here at Trinity Church. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you here soon at 1 Minute Walking Tours.